Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And this evening, I am just gonna do a little work with me video. It's gonna be fast-paced. I have all of these hoodies and joggers that are already embroidered, but I have to cut off the backing and package them, put the size stickers on, and just put them in the bins. So, without further ado, let's get to it. So each sweatshirt has ribbed sleeves, ribbed bottom, and you've got the Be the Exception logo on the left chest. This is all stitched out. Not really cutting here, I'm just gliding the scissors because I think if I cut, I might mess around and cut the garment. So if I'm cutting, I got my finger underneath it. So we got that we have to take care of, and then the logo is at the bottom and the back. So it gets embroidered twice. I was struggling in the other part of the video, just how you fold these. I saw a couple of videos, people fold them so differently. I'm that Virgo, that's anal, so I want it to be perfect. The other way, folding it up, it was too bulky. So we're just gonna do it just a regular way. And it's the hood that makes it difficult. Is a medium. Not completely happy with that fold, but has to be. I'm stressing too much over it. I just want to be able to grab when there's orders, just grab it up. So I gotta make sure it's the right stickers on here. Each one that I finish gets bagged and tagged. The whole 360.